When it comes to seasoning chicken breasts, I'm a minimalist, salt and pepper only. Spice rubs tend to burn when you saute them. When you're sauteing a chicken breast, you want to make sure that before you put it in the pan, you get a paper towel and pat it dry. That extra moisture will stop our chicken from browning. So get all that excess moisture off before you put it in the pan. When I season, I use kosher salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Whenever you season, you want to start really high. If I was to season like this, you get little spots of salt. If you season high, you get a nice even distribution of salt. Pepper, go a little bit on a fine grind with this, and then we can turn it over and season the other side.